Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm doing a full face, full foundation, full glam, first impressions type video. So if you're interested in seeing how I put together this look and if you want to watch me try on some new products, keep on watching. So in this video, I'm using this makeup brush set. This is from Vanity Planet. It's the Blend Party Oval Makeup Brush Set. Check the description box for a discount. They're so cute. They're all pink. They're 100% vegan, cruelty-free. They don't collect allergens. The hairs are all densely packed, so they don't absorb too much product. They're easy to clean. They can be used with liquids, powders, emollient products. I've used this type of brush on my skincare before too. It's a really nice facial massage. These are extremely soft. The bristles are just insane, and they're so densely packed that it creates a flawless, almost like an airbrush look. And the handles are flexible, so it creates a more precise, more consistent application. All right, I'm gonna get started, so I'll see you guys in a sec with no makeup on. I'm gonna start off by putting my hair back. This is from Nin Studio. It's actually Camilla's. She let me borrow it, or maybe she gave it to me, I don't know. But she has a couple of them, and we shot a video together last week, maybe 2 weeks ago, and she was wearing it, and I thought it was so cute, but it's great because it keeps your hair out of your face, and it's good for if you're doing skincare and stuff too. It's basically a giant scrunchie. So it's pretty early in the morning right now, and last night I went out to drink, and I'm a bit hungover, so I'm gonna try and kind of do a facial massage. And this is from Sonia Descartes, the Organic Omega Booster. It's the 30th anniversary limited edition, and it has my name engraved on it because I went to this event. So I've used this once before, so I can't really say much about it because I haven't seen that much of a difference. It does moisturize my skin. It makes it feel really good, and it's great for if you're doing facial massage. Can you hear that in the ASMR mic? Everything's so dry right now and puffy. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this. This is called the Rifa roller, and this is the bigger one. When I first got it in the mail, I was like, damn, this looks like a dick, right? But it's got a crazy cult following, especially in Japan. Everyone just swears by it, so I started using it. They make a smaller one too, so it's like smaller balls and a bit more narrow right here. I feel like that would be better for facial massage. This is a little bit big. I started using this just like on my arms, especially after ceramics, and it's been so great. It's just massages everything. It works out all the kinks. It feels really good when I roll it down my neck. Whenever I have puffy mornings like today, I'll roll it all over my face, and it just feels really good to get those muscles moving and get those lymph nodes draining and such. If you want to go and get one for yourself and you just want to use it for your face, I would highly recommend just getting the smaller one that's meant for your face, because this can be kind of bulky, as you can see. But yeah, I love doing this with it, like rolling it under my arms right here. It just feels so good. It kind of hurts. All right, I'm really excited to start digging into this. What do I start with? Let's start with foundation. All right, I'm gonna start with the number 7 brush, which is, say, like a normal foundation size brush. And then this foundation that I've never used before, this is from NARS. It's the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Let's see, so here's a little bit. Nice. These types of brushes are supposed to be great for self-application, so when you're applying makeup and skincare on yourself, it just makes it a bit easier. I think the thing that I like the most about this brush so far is that this part right here is really bendy. It has a bit of give, and but it feels very sturdy, so it kind of bounces back. So let's move on to concealer. Today I'm using the Fenty Beauty. This isn't a first impressions. I've used this a couple times before. I really like it. I'm just gonna put this around my nose, under my eyes, around my nose, just in the parts of my face that I'd wanna highlight. The brush I'm using is number 4, so it's just a little bit smaller than the number 7. So I'm just gonna blend it out. If it ever gets like a little bit more on the dry side, like the Fenty one, I'll spray it down with a facial spray. And this is from Amora Visa. It works great. But yeah, I'll just hose down my face, and then while it's still kind of damp, I'll blend it out like that. So recently I found out about this website called Rank and Style, and it's kind of like a magazine, an online magazine. So what they do is they make top 10 lists. So it depends on like however many things that people buy online. So the algorithm of like your purchases is kind of like when you go on Amazon and you Google houseplant, and then the top 10 houseplants will show up first. It's kind of like that. So it goes off of like the most popular, the most highly reviewed, the most coveted items of each category. So for right now for blush, I'm gonna try the NARS G-Shot Multiple Stick, and this is in the top 10 blush sticks category. So I'll leave some of the top 10 categories in the description box down below if you guys want to check that out. I used to have this a long time ago in the color St. Bart's. I don't even know if they still make it. I'm gonna use a number 5 brush to blend this out. Okay, so it's a little bit on the dry side. I'm gonna put more of that facial spray on. See if I can go directly from the product onto the cheeks. Oh, you know what? That actually works a little bit better. Yeah, it doesn't stick as much. Put on some bronzer. This is from Too Faced. I've actually tried this before. This is the Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer. It's in new packaging. I really like the old packaging too, but this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use their biggest brush, which is the number 6 brush, and kind of pat it in there. Oh yeah, it feels really good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do like a 3 motion. That. This is a number 9 brush, which is like a very straight brush. I'm gonna try using this to kind of contour a little bit. Yeah, I can see why people contour with these brushes, because I mean, that's a huge difference. And it's so easy. Damn, that's insane. Okay. Yeah, let's put on some highlighter. This is from Clay, and it's the Essence Moonlighter Cushion Calming Moisture Technology. I'm using the brush number 8 to apply this. Just gonna go right into the product, and yeah, nice. I think the great thing about using a brush to apply a highlighter is that it doesn't pick up pigment from underneath, which is a problem that I always have. Okay, so for brows, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil was number 1 in top 10 drugstore brow products. And I've used this before, so this won't be a first impressions. I wanted to prove that I've used it before because I have another one right here. I have 2 of them, and they're both in the color ash brown. I'm gonna do one brow with this, and then I also got another new brow product from Glossier that I want to try out because I haven't tried it out yet, and I'm a little bit nervous about it because I feel like it would take a bit of like a learning curve, you know? I totally understand why this is in the top 10 ranking of brows, because it's just like the Anastasia Brow Wiz, but just a lot cheaper in price. This is the Glossier Brow Flick. The color I have is black. It's made in France. Ooh la la. And it's a brush tip. Really draw on your hair super fine like that. So I'm just gonna draw in little sprouts. Be patient with me because this is my first time using. Whoa, okay. It's actually really easy to use. Almost like a micro brow type of look. So I saw this thing that Sally Hughes did, and she said that you should just follow the hairs as it would grow naturally. How does she do it and look so elegant? She's like boop, 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 and I'm like pressing my hand against my face, but yeah, I like it. I'm down with it. This is from Make, and this is the nude palette. There's Depot, Blot Pot. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff in here. I'm gonna use the number 8 brush again, and then apply it in this matte eyeshadow right here. All over my eyelids, see how that looks? Whoa, so easy. I'm gonna use the number 2 brush and also put it the same color underneath my eyes. Yeah, you know what? For someone who doesn't wear eyeshadow every day, this is really easy to just use on your lower lash line to smudge everything out. I'm gonna use the number 1 brush and apply it into this like shimmery color right here. Going back and forth. Just put that all over my lid. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm gonna use the same color with the number 2 brush and just do the outer bottom. You know what? In hindsight, I should have put on some, God, what do you call it? Eyeshadow primer. I always forget about that. This one is from Laura Mercier. I usually always use the Shiramura eyelash curler, so this is my first non-Shiramura eyelash curler since I was 16, 15 or 6. Whoa, it feels weird already. Whoa, I almost like pinched my eyelid. So it's a lot flatter than the other one, the Shiramura one. I usually grab it really deep in the root and then pump it to the tip. I'm really excited to try this. This is the Roller Lash mascara from Benefit. This is the top 10 curling mascaras, and I really like a rubber wand, so I'm really excited about this. So let's see. Whoa, that's a lot of color already. A little bit gloopy in my opinion, but I'm so used to using Lash Slick from Glossier where it's no gloop at all. It's like a very dry formula. Yeah, I mean, dang, that is a lot of length. Eyeliner. Okay, so I have two here. The Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. When I was in my early 20s, the whole like French New Wave makeup thing was really big. So I wore liquid eyeliner every day for about 2 years. So I got really used to it. And then I got kind of tired of it. I think the hardest part is just to get it to match on both sides, you know? On my right eye, which is the harder eye to do, I'm gonna try and use this one. I haven't used it yet. This is from Fenty Beauty. I've heard so many good things about it. I think I think Tati just talked about this recently, but this is the Fly Liner. I'm not a makeup artist, so this is really hard. Okay, here we go. I mean, I think with the Fenty one, I just need to learn how to use it because I've never used it before. Now I have to refocus my eyes because I have really bad astigmatism. Okay, so the Laura Mercier Caviar stick is in the top 10 cream eyeshadows category at number 1. And you already know I love this stuff. I don't use this color. This is Tuxedo. I'm just going to pass on that. So this is from Dose of Colors. It's number 1 in top 10 vegan lipsticks. And this color is called Kiss of Fire. Oh, it looks like hot pink a little bit. So the doe foot applicator is super easy to apply. It looks like a little sock. So first impressions, I'm pretty happy with all the products. I think that the Fenty eyeliner, I just need to learn how to use it to get like a very thin line. The opacity is phenomenal. The roller lash is something that I wouldn't purchase again just because I don't really like a crazy voluminous eye makeup look. I think if I were to do this look, I'd have to remove one thing, so either the eyeliner or the mascara, or maybe even both. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions video. If you guys have any questions for me, please leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.